Hey Lucas, Tim with Fusz Toyota, checking out the 25 Toyota 4Runner. This is in the Everest. It is the Trailhunter, like the one you inquired about. It is a sold unit, but want to do a quick walk around. We'll check out the inside, and if you're interested in joining an order or allocation, we can talk more about that. Okay, Lucas, once again, this is the 4Runner Trailhunter in the Everest. That bronze wheels, absolutely stunning. Beautiful Toyota badging. Open country tires. Got the old man emu shocks there, rock boards. This has the memory seat function, automatic external mirrors. Got heated, ventilated seats, that just beautiful accent stitching. 14-inch multimedia display with your 360 cameras. Vehicle does have the Qi wireless charging, DAC controls, multiple terrain select, look in the rear as well. Does have the digital rear view mirror. Just wanted to get you an up close and personal look at one of these. I know we were considering putting one on order. Give me a call through on 483-5501. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.